it's Jaleesa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to show you guys my very simple routine for when I want to look a little bit more refreshed and polished, but I don't want to put too much effort in. Very simple, very easy, so let's jump into it. Okay, so now that my hair is up, a big part of this routine is skincare because you want your skin to basically glow. You want to have really healthy looking skin. So these products, they're all the same brand, but honestly, it's the only brand, well, not the only brand, but one of the only brands that doesn't break me out, and actually I can see results because my skin, the spots that I had are basically fading. So I start off with either or. These are both from Boscia. They're the Vitamin C and Caviar Lime Boosting Serum, and then the Vegan Collagen Boosting Serum. I use both of them. So the Green Tea Serum, this brightening one, is going to help with discoloration and spots. And then this one is a collagen boosting serum, so it's just going to help with like fine lines and plumping my skin. So I massage this in pretty well because I love to give my face a good massage. It helps to bring blood to the surface, which is actually really good for your skin. So if you can give yourself maybe a 5-10 second facial every day, very beneficial. And the next is this moisturizer. It's the Green Tea Oil-Free one. Very important. This is one of my favorite products. Every time I run out, I replenish it like right away. I don't play any games. If I know if I'm getting low, I replenish it right away because it really has just improved my skin so much. So just rubbing that in, and then I'm gonna let that soak in. So let's move on to, I guess, the makeup part of it. Brows, very important. So I'm taking this one from Anastasia. It's Dipbrow Soft Brown, and this is a Real Techniques 202 brush. And I like this brush because it's really small, it's tiny, so I can kind of just do more natural looking strokes as opposed to completely filling the brow in. I just want my brows to look really polished, put together. And then it kind of frames the rest of the face. And these lashes, by the way, they're the Lashify, Lashify set. I use C's, F's, and E's, like a combination of 10s and 12s. And it gives me a really nice natural looking lash. So if you guys want to see a tutorial on that, let me know. Okay, so once I have my brows into place, then I can move back to the skincare because I'm going to add a little bit of concealer. So this is a MERCIER. It's the Pure Canvas Primer, SPF 30. And I like this one because it's just a clear, translucent sunscreen. Gives me a little bit of priming action. Well, I guess a whole lot of priming action since it is a primer, but I use it for the SPF. It's a really great SPF that doesn't break me out. So I use it every single day. Just work it in just like that. And it's great that it's a primer too, so if I end up putting a little bit of powder or concealer on top, then it gives me some extra holding power. And then once I have the primer on, I can move on to concealer. So I have 3 different concealers here. This is the YSL Touche Eclat. It's the 3.5, but if you're on a budget, you can do Fenty. This is $260 in the Pro Filter, or this one is Shape Tape from Tarte. It's in medium tan sand. So either one of those options work really well, but I like the Touche Eclat because it is really lightweight and it just looks like skin. So I mainly use this around the nose because I get redness around my nose, and that's it. So I'm gonna take the Sigma brush. It's the F03. I love it for these small areas, just to pat in. And I also have a Sigma code, so I'll leave that in the description box too. But I just use that to tap that in, and it helps to blend out a little bit of that redness. I don't go under the eye because there's something about not touching under the eye that I really like something a little bit sultry about it. If you are worried about your dark circles, you can put a little concealer under there, but I leave it completely bare. I like that look. So once I have my concealer on, then I'm going to just take a little bit of mascara. So if you don't have your lashes done, this is where you want to do your top lashes. But because mine are already done with the Lashify, I'm just gonna go under and just accentuate these lower lashes just to give me some balance. And this is the Benefit They're Real mascara, one of my favorites. Went back to it. It's just so good. because my lashes are a little bit more full, I can kind of go just a little bit more spiky. So this next part is optional. I like a little bit of lip liner, but if you want to skip it for more of a easy, carefree look, then you can. But I just like the way lip liner looks on my lip. Just that extra little bit of color. So this is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Attitude. And then I'm taking this Glow Recipe Lip Pop. I love this. It's an exfoliator, but it's also kind of like a lip balm. Just gonna put some of that on. So as you can see, it's like, it doesn't look like my lips are lined, but it gives me that definition that I like, just like that little extra. And then I'm gonna melt everything together. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow. I just love it. It smells like watermelon, smells really great, and it gives my skin a nice sheen. My skin just like feels really hydrated. It feels nice and glowing, and it also just will appear a little bit more brighter, like, you know, like you're a little bit more put together. It just awakens your skin. So yeah, that's basically it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think and what you do for your daily routine. Are you guys putting makeup on at all as you're staying in the house, or are you doing a full beat? I want to know. I'm curious. So let me know down in the comments below. All the products in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!